Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sanding my dresser because you know how my mom's gonna paint them, right? So I sanded them down and they're twin size beds, I think, and she painted them white because they used to be this color, and we're like remodeling and everything, so we had to we're redecorating our room. So this is like the last thing I need done for my room, so I'm just sanding it down.
Aliyah, seriously, put on a hat. You're like right under the sun.
Know. Give me a hat.
Let's look at Aliyah's progress. She did put a hat because the sun's like full blown right now. That's the progress right there. That's gonna remove the handles. So whenever we paint it, it's ready.
No, none of your business. Like that. Treat the paint just like your hair. To stop like it. You're gonna say something to your blog?
Okay, so I've only been here for like an hour, but I came back in. I came inside and then I like ate something and then I came back out and I'm almost done. I just need that, but my dad needs to take
Did you just drop some? Clean the rag.
You distracted me.
Okay.
Oh yeah. So this is like not the finished product, but this side I'm already done. I kind of just need to do the bottom stuff because it's still kind of like showing around. And then right here too. And then on the other side I still have to do it. And then the front, I'll do that till tomorrow because my dad has to take these because I want to change them out. Or just spray paint them in different.
Are you gonna keep them the same color or you're gonna paint them another color?
I'm probably gonna spray paint them silver.
Oh, okay.
Next day, guys, and I took the knobs off and my sister helped me take them off. And she offered herself to help. So I'm just kind of going over what I did yesterday. And then the front, this is new, so we're doing it today. Okay, so this is the final result of how this turned out. I would have finished sooner, but how my mom says, el huevón trabaja doble because I was lagging and I didn't finish it on time and I took forever. But so this is like the finished result. I like spray painted it to make make it look glossy, and over here, the doorknobs, like the knobs to the thing, they used to be like almost black because the desktop thing or whatever it's called, the comoda thing,
Drawer.
The drawer, it was like brown, so the knobs were black. And since I painted it white, and I have like a nightstand in my room, so the nightstand has like white knobs too, so I mean white knobs, I mean silver knobs too, and it's like white, so I decided to go with that theme with that one too. This is the finished result, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. So today is the next day after like painting it and finishing it. So I'm putting on the handles, which I spray painted silver. I think you saw in the last clip. And yeah, I'm just like screwing things in. look, I am missing a knob from this side because this part is there, but there's just not the handle. So my mom's gonna buy 2 of the same like knobs for just that one. And then, well, I put them all on, and it wasn't really hard to put them on. All you have to do is screw the screen. But this is the final results. I hope you guys like my DIY with my dresser. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you haven't already. And thanks for watching.